pseudo-health professionals routinely influence people into believing that meat contains virtually nothing beneficial to our health, and that it is very harmful to us. They eagerly tell people that antioxidants can help improve their health, but spuriously tell people that only plant foods can provide them, while claiming that meat does not.
That most nutritional and scientific researchers recognize that we age more rapidly from the production of reactive oxygen species that build up, and which are, when we're eating foods that have a lot of antioxidants, the burning of the calories that forms oxidative species are diffused by the antioxidants in the food when you're eating vegetables. When you're eating meat, there's no antioxidants to diffuse the high production of free radicals.
Keep in mind, if you're on a meat diet and you're getting a lot of AGEs, you're also not getting the antioxidants that can fight the AGEs. For instance, I had toast today. My toast probably had some AGEs with it, but I also had blueberries, so my blueberries would act as an antioxidant towards that effect.
As meat is virtually nutritionally complete, it contains a great many nutrients which either are antioxidants, or are used to biosynthesize them. Glutathione is widely referred to as our primary and most important antioxidant, and its biosynthesis is a good example of this, being reliant on the availability of vitamins, minerals and amino acids found in meat, which can all be problem nutrients for vegans. The following are some of the antioxidants found in meat. Several are found only in animal foods, and mainly in meat. Only animal foods, such as beef liver, contain preformed vitamin A, which is an antioxidant. Most people have a poor ability to convert vitamin A precursors from plant foods into true vitamin A. Animal foods also contain the beta-carotene vitamin A precursors, which are also antioxidants. Vitamin E is one of the best known antioxidants, and is found in meat. Zinc, which is very readily supplied by meat, is an antioxidant.
What is astaxanthin? Okay, astaxanthin is a type of carotenoid, which is a phytochemical, a plant-based chemical, and it's fat soluble. There's over 600 carotenoids, and this is one of them. It's probably one of the most powerful ones. It's 20 times more powerful than beta-carotene. It's 100 times more powerful than alpha-tocopherol. That's in the vitamin E complex. And it's 1,000 times more powerful than vitamin C. Now the question is, where do you get it? Well, it's in wild Pacific sockeye salmon, red trout, lobster, shrimp, crayfish, crabs, chlorella, which is green algae, and krill.
Creatine is found exclusively in animal foods, mostly meat. It helps boost strength and cognition.
Do you take creatine? So yes, I take creatine. I'd love to know Brian's answer on this. I take, between 3 and 5 grams most days of the week. Some days I forget, just like with my B12.
Yes, you should supplement with creatine as a vegan.
Creatine, all the bodybuilders and a lot of the athletes take creatine. There has been some studies showing that it does help vegetarians, and it can help you with your exercise performance. It actually may help with cognition.
Only meat contains significant amounts of carnitine, which is an antioxidant.
Carnitine for vegans, non-essential amino acid or dipeptide, whatever you want to call it. We don't need to supplement with it. We can make it from lysine and methionine.
I mean, and we make it just like the cow makes it that people eat. We make it too. We're animals too. And so we make all the, carnitine we need.
Carnosine is another antioxidant nutrient found in animal foods, such as meat, and has been shown to be deficient in those who avoid meat. Taurine is another antioxidant, also needed for many other functions. It is only found in animal foods, such as meat, and has been shown to be deficient in vegans.
Right, so there's a number of nutrients: carnitine, carnosine, taurine, creatine, that are not made by plants. And you say, uh-oh, that's all I eat. What do I do? They're only made by animals. Well, guess what? You're an animal, right?
Also worthy of note is this study which found vegans to have a reduced total antioxidant status, due to deficiencies of cofactor nutrients, which would probably have compromised their health. Please think twice before taking health advice from animal rights advocates.
Veganism is an ethic. So I don't know, these people that say I'm leaving veganism are basically saying I'm changing my ethics, I guess. I know true vegans. True vegans are vegan for the animals.
100% plant-based, which means a vegan diet, is the optimal diet for human health. I don't think that we could say that, because when you do that, then you're low in B12, possibly low in DHA, and possibly and your zinc maybe could be a little low, that may increase risk of pneumonia later in life. We don't know that for sure, that a little bit of animal products added to the diet in some people aren't going to allow them to live just as long, or even more so. We don't know that for sure.
You can get an omega-3 deficiency, and I think this might be more common than we know. It's still being studied. I take an omega-3 supplement. I take a microalgae. I don't want to eat fish. There's a lot of toxins and dioxins and PVCs. They're not as loaded in omega-3s as they used to be, and fishing is destroying the oceans. And so I will take an omega-3 supplement. It's pretty easy. It's an algae supplement.
It's not the future.